Meet the shoebill, a bird that looks prehistoric. Here are 5 amazing facts about this mysterious giant. That beak is unreal. Shaped like a Dutch clog, it's why they are called shoebills, and it is perfect for catching prey. They are huge. Shoebills can grow up to 5 feet tall with a wingspan of 8 feet, a true swamp giant. They are African locals. Shoebills live in the wetlands of Central Africa like the swamps of Uganda. They are super stealthy. Shoebills stand still for hours, waiting to ambush fish, frogs, or even baby crocs. They make wild sounds. Their beak clattering sounds like a machine gun, lust to greet or scare off threat. Which shoebill fact shocked you most? Comment below and subscribe for more wild wonders.